Hello. When we install ISE in ESXi, we'll getting this type of error, which is saying that EFI virtual disk no media found. So, how we'll troubleshoot this situation to for installation ISE on VMware ESXi? So first we have to power off this ISE and go to the edit option. And go to the VM option, and here you will see a lots of option, so we have to go to boot option and expand it. Look, here is and this firmware is chosen EFI, so we have to change the EFI to BIOS. Okay, and after that nothing to change it here, and go to the save. After that we have to power on the IC. Look, now the error has gone and we have gotten the installation process. So if I press 1, IC will go for installation properly. So it will take approximately 25 to 30 minutes to complete this installation process, because lots of attribute you need to be download from the ISO file. Thank you so much.